हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स पीरियड। आई एम किरण मैम। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद एक्सरसाइज 3.4 चैप्टर नंबर 3 अंडरस्टैंडिंग quadrilaterals NCERT standard 8. Here the question number 1 is state whether true or false. We are given here 8 statements. We have to check whether they are true or false. So here we have to use the properties of quadrilaterals which we have learnt in the beginning of exercise 3.3. The first statement is all rectangles are square. Now we have to check whether all the properties of second quadrilateral are satisfied by the first quadrilateral or not. We have to check the properties of square are satisfied by the rectangle or not. The first property of square is all sides of a square are equal. But all sides of a rectangle are not equal, its opposite sides are equal. Hence it is false. Number 2, all rhombuses are parallelogram. Now we have to check whether all the properties of parallelogram are satisfied by the rhombuses or not. We know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. Now in a rhombus all sides are equal. Obviously opposite sides are also equal and they are parallel also. Number 2, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal and rhombus also opposite angles are equal. Number 3, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, rhombus also diagonals bisect each other. Hence it is true. Now C part. All squares are rhombuses and rectangles. First we'll check for rhombus. In a rhombus all the sides are equal. In square also all the sides are equal. Number 2, in a rhombus opposite angles are equal and in a square all the angles are of 90 degree, hence opposite angles are also equal. Number 3, diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Similarly, diagonals of a square also bisect each other at 90 degree. So all squares are rhombuses. Now we'll check for rectangles. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal and in square all sides are equal. Obviously, opposite sides are also equal. Number 2, all the angles of a rectangle are of 90 degree and all the angles of square are also 90 degree. Number 3, diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other and diagonals of a square also bisect each other. Hence it is true. Next, D part. All squares are not parallelograms. Here we'll check whether all squares are parallelograms or not. So properties of parallelogram is opposite sides are equal. In square all sides are equal, hence opposite sides are also equal. Opposite sides are parallel. In square also opposite sides are parallel. In a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. In a square all the angles are of 90 degree, hence its opposite angles are also equal. Then in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. In square also diagonals bisect each other. It means all the squares are parallelograms. But the statement is all squares are not parallelogram. So this is false. Actually all squares are parallelogram. Next, E part. All kites are rhombuses. We know that all the sides of a rhombus are equal, but all the sides of a kite are not equal, hence it is false. Next, F. All the rhombuses are kites. We know that in a kite, two consecutive pairs of sides are equal, and in a rhombus, all sides are equal, hence obviously its consecutive pairs of sides are equal. Next, in a kite, one pair of opposite angles is equal and in a rhombus all the pairs of opposite angles are equal. So both the properties are satisfied, hence it is true. Next, G part. All parallelograms are trapezium. What is a trapezium? A quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel. But in a parallelogram, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Hence, it satisfies the properties of a trapezium. So it is true. Next, H. All squares are trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel. But in square, both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Hence, it is a trapezium. So this is also true. Question number 2 of exercise 3.4, chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals, NCERT Standard 8. The question is identify all the quadrilaterals that have number 1, 4 sides of equal length, number 2, 4 right angles. We know that a rhombus and a square have all the sides equal. So the answer of the first part is square and rhombus. Now the B part, 4 right angles. We know that a rectangle and a square have all the 4 angles of 90 degrees, that is right angles. So the answer is square and rectangle. Question number 3 of exercise 3.4, chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals, NCERT Standard 8. The question is explain how a square is number 1 a quadrilateral, number 2 a parallelogram, number 3 a rhombus, number 4 a rectangle. We'll start with the first part. We have to justify how a square is a quadrilateral. A square is a four-sided polygon, so it is a quadrilateral. Second part, we have to justify how square is a parallelogram. A square is a parallelogram as its opposite sides are equal and parallel. Actually, all the four sides of a square are equal, so obviously opposite sides are also equal. Opposite angles are equal. All the four angles of a square are of 90 degree, so its opposite angles are equal. Diagonals of a square bisect each other. Hence, a square is a parallelogram. Third part, square is a rhombus. A square is a parallelogram with all sides equal and diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So square is a rhombus. Number 4, square is a rectangle. As opposite sides of a square are equal, in fact all the sides of a square are equal, obviously opposite sides are equal. All angles are right angles. Diagonals bisect each other.